Thanks for stopping by. We're going to make this real quick. Your friend's excited about this idea that we're sharing with you. It's 16 years in the making. We've been proving results for almost a decade now in 30 countries all around the world. And we're on track to do over $600 million in revenue this year. Now, what is this all about? Well, this is about you, your free time, and you living full time. See, most of us, we work 50 weeks out of the year to get 2 weeks off to do what? Vacation, right? To go to the places that they dream of. And so our goal is we want to build the largest travel community in the world. It's by invitation only. That's the only reason why you're here. We want to impact 1 billion people and help them take a trip of a lifetime. But we can't do that by ourselves. We need your help. You see, you got these billionaires that have founded these social media companies like Facebook, and we built it for them. We posted our pictures and we added our friends and we did all this, but we didn't benefit directly until now. And so at the beginning of 2016, we're launching a travel app that's literally going to do to the retail travel industry that Skype did to long distance, or what Uber has done to taxis, or what Netflix has done to Blockbuster. We're going to enable you to actually earn your vacations for things that you're already doing already. See, by contributing to the travel community, by posting your content, things that you like to do every single day. It could be your pictures, it could be your videos, but what this is going to do is help you earn your dream vacations all around the world. So if any of this intrigues you at all, get back with the person that had you watch this. I'll leave you with this. Nothing changes if nothing changes. If you're happy with your life and your vacation schedule, this is probably not for you. But if you're the type of person that's looking for more, you want to take your lifestyle to the next level, then get back with the person that had you watch this video and ask them, how do I know more?